Welcome to the bird spelling quiz. Get ready to learn how to spell the names of some amazing birds. Listen carefully, choose the right answer, and spell along with me. Let's begin. This bird loves to talk. That's right. Let's spell it together. P A R R O T. This bird is wise and stays up at night. Correct. Let's spell it. O W L. This big bird runs fast but cannot fly. Well done. Let's spell it. O S T R I C H. This pink bird stands on one leg. Yes. Let's spell it. F L A M I N G O. This bird builds a beautiful nest. Great job. Let's spell it. W E A V E R. This bird is known for its lovely singing. That's correct. Let's spell it. N I G H T I N G A L E. This black and white bird loves cold places. Good choice. Let's spell it. P E N G U I N. This bird pecks at trees. Fantastic. Let's spell it. W O O D P E C K E R. This bird is small and loves nectar. That's right. Let's spell it. H U M M I N G B I R D. This large bird soars high in the sky. Well done. Let's spell it. E A G L E. This small bird often sings in the morning. Yes. Let's spell it. R O B I N. This bird is black and known for its intelligence. Amazing. Let's spell it. C R O W. This colorful bird has a long beak. Great choice. Let's spell it. T O U C A N. This bird is the fastest in a dive. You got it. Let's spell it. P E R E G R I N E. This bird is a symbol of peace. Well done. Let's spell it. D O V E. This bird swims underwater and catches fish. That's right. Let's spell it. K I N G F I S H E R. This bird's tail spreads out like a fan. Great work. Let's spell it. P E A C O C K. This bird lays the largest eggs. Fantastic. Let's spell it. O S T R I C H. This bird is known for its strong beak. Yes. Let's spell it. M A C A W. This bird dances to attract a mate. That's correct. Let's spell it. B O W E R B. Thanks for watching Kiddo's Knowledge World. Please subscribe for more useful content.